If you're seeing the message saying you've joined the new Siri waitlist on your iPhone and you're wondering how to fix it, here's what you need to know. First, this isn't actually a problem with your iPhone. Apple is rolling out the new Siri features gradually, so not everyone gets access at the same time. The best thing you can do is simply wait. Many users are getting access within a few hours or a couple of days. You can also try restarting your iPhone. To do this, press and hold the volume up button and the side button at the same time. Then, drag the slide to power off slider. Wait a few seconds, turn your iPhone back on, and check if the waitlist message is gone. Keep in mind that restarting your device has a low chance of removing you from the waitlist immediately. In most cases, you'll simply need to be patient while Apple enables the feature on your account. That's pretty much it. Give it some time, and you should eventually gain access to the new Siri features. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!